Hey guys, I got a new air fryer toaster oven, so let's check it out. This oven is a Comfee or Comfee brand. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but they sent me the oven at no charge in exchange for making this video. This oven is taller than the other one I've been using because the controls and the fan are up above rather than on the side, but the inside dimensions are roughly the same. The outside dimensions of this are 16 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and 15 inches high. Roughly, that's not exact to the exact fraction of an inch, but that's the rough measurements. This is a pretty nice looking oven. When you open it up, the light automatically goes on. Now down in the bottom, you have your crumb tray there. Slides in and out. And this is the air fryer basket right here. That slides in. There are 4 different slots, 4 different levels that you can put your racks and your basket in there. And also comes with your, your oven rack there. That slides right in there. And then you have your baking pan, and that'll slide in right there as well. And it also comes with a rotisserie. The controls are up on top, and they're pretty self-explanatory and easy to use. If you hit that function or any one of these buttons, that'll light up your control panel there. And if you turn this knob, that'll take you to which setting you want. These buttons here for the time and temperature. So for example, okay, that's the toast setting. So if I hit this button, that would be the number of slices. If I turn that, that'll go, up or down, number how many slices you want. This would be the darkness setting. So you turn it just like that, just that. And then if you want to turn it on, you just hit that button like that. If you hit the button a second time, it pauses it. And then if you want to just cancel it, you hit this button over here. Shuts everything off. Everything's pretty simple once you play around with it. It's pretty easy to figure out. This is supposed to be big enough inside to fit a 12-inch pizza. The other oven I was using was too. And this is the rotisserie thing here. Let's see if I can get that in there. All right. Look at that. This is a tool, I guess, to lift it in and out with, like if it's hot. Right now when it's cool, you don't need that, but it seems to work all right. Now, let me show you how this works. Okay, you close the oven door and okay, which way here? Okay, we're on the rotisserie setting. Now I push that button and you see that rotating inside there? Pretty cool. So they say you can fit a chicken in there if it's not too big. Let's try this thing out. I cut up a potato into little thin slices, put some oil and salt on there. Let's try the air fryer setting and see if we can make some oven fries here. So, alright, it's already on the air fry setting. 450 degrees Fahrenheit is set for 15 minutes. I'm not familiar with this, so I'll just try that and we'll see what happens. This is what the control panel looks like while it's cooking. It shows you the temperatures 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's on air fry. Your convection fan is running. And you can hear that fan. It does make some noise, but you kind of get used to it. And then it shows you the time. The time's ticking down till it gets done. And another thing, if you want to change the time while it's cooking, just turn the knob up or down like that. And then when it stops blinking, it just kind of resets. There you go. It's been about 12 minutes. You can see those potatoes cooking. You can see inside there good with that light on. This just shut off. 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Those look pretty nice, huh? Let's see what the underside looks like on one. Oh yeah, those look about the same on both sides. Not bad. Let's try one out. Oh yeah, that was good. Well, that worked out good. That sells for $149.99. I'll put the link to Amazon in the description, and you'll be seeing more of it in my videos. See you guys.